If you know you're a content creator, come closer. This is your sign to go and open a YouTube account. I'm not trying to draw you away from this space, but it's your sign to open a YouTube account, because on YouTube, as an African creator, you get to earn. You get to be paid for your hard work. So as you're thinking about opening that UK account, also think about opening your YouTube account as a content creator in Africa, where you get to showcase all the things that happens in Africa around your surroundings without being scared of people finding out if you're actually using a UK account in Nigeria. So this is your sign to go open a YouTube account. I have a YouTube channel, so I'm talking out of experience. And it's not a get rich early scheme. It's a place where you go and put in your hard work, you put in your time, you try as much as you can to learn how to edit your videos and create your content. Be creative over there. So don't just put your egg in one basket. As you're trying to make ends meet over here, also go there and do it. At least over there, you're going to get paid. You're an African creator or you are anywhere, you just get paid doing what you love the most. So if you want to open your YouTube account, just know that you're going to work for it, and you're going to make sure that you have 1,000 subscribers, and you're going to make sure that your watch hour gets to 3,000 watch hour or 4,000 watch hour before you can get paid. So if you want more explanation on this, hit the follow button. Leave me any question you want me to answer in the comment section, and I'm going to answer it for you. Don't go and pay anybody money to open any YouTube account for you. It's free 99. You don't have to pay anything. Just go over to YouTube. So far you have a Gmail account that is effective and it's working, go over there, use your Gmail account and open your YouTube channel. If you go there, if you want me to show you some of the videos I've made pertaining to how to create content, how to do your channel banner and all of those, you just make your channel professional enough for people to see. Go, I will leave my YouTube name, my YouTube account name in the comment section, so you can go over there and help yourself with those resources. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. So if anybody comes there and tell you, give me money to open it, run. So as you're hustling here, you're also hustling there. The difference is that as a creator, you're not getting paid here, except you're doing live stream or you're doing, people are gifting you or all of those stuff. But over there, you get paid for your creativeness. So follow for more, stay tuned, and see you next time.